All right, welcome back. Here we go. We're gonna do it now. We're gonna do it. You ready? Let me open up my other browser here where I got my wallet loaded up on because I don't got my wallet loaded up on Safari. But while that's loading up, you guys can go ahead and get your phones and go ahead and open up MetaMask or whatever your preference is, whatever your wallet is. If you're using MetaMask, this is step one. Okay, so you want to have your MetaMask wallet, and when you open it up, you want to push the little button that's right here, right? See? And then you want to push buy, and then this will come up if you're doing this on your phone, right? Push get started, select your region for United States, press California, push continue. When you get here, you can buy some crypto. All right, you can also do that on the thing, but sometimes you may not have the required amount. I know I didn't, or I didn't want to put in $30 at first. I didn't trust crypto. I didn't know how secure it was, so I used to send my money to Coinbase. So you can send your money to Coinbase. You can go to coinbase.com and you can set yourself up an account. You know what I mean? And you can send funds. You can load up your bank account, and then you can send your funds to your Coinbase, and then you can send funds from Coinbase to your wallet. Okay, and that's what we're about to do right now. I'm about to, as soon as my Chrome browser be working kind of slow, but while it's working, just want y'all to know that, you know, there's not a better market to get a part of than the crypto market that has as much opportunity to make a living, to build a business, and to network. It's all happening in the tech industry, evolving around crypto and AI right now. And I'm trying to fast forward y'all, speed y'all up, I'm trying to get y'all caught up if you ain't been there. And I joke a lot, but I know this information is not readily available. That's why I'm doing this, because I want to be able to give you an edge. And Nerdy Black that's what I'm all about, man. Like, I'm all about helping people out, helping people get the edge to stay ahead. You know what I mean? So as soon as this is done, we'll go ahead and send some money. I'll show you how to do it. This thing is taking forever, bro. I should have loaded it beforehand. Anyways, you know, this is Coinbase right here. You want to come to Coinbase and you want to load yourself up some money. I'm trying to find out. I do this all on my phone. This is way easier to do on your phone. If you just download the Coinbase app, it's way easier. I promise you. In fact, let me see right here if I can just pull up Coinbase. Yeah, Coinbase is way easier to do this with. When you hop into the Coinbase app, it's just gonna look like this right here. That's how the Coinbase app looks. All right, and then when you're here, you're gonna need to press that button right there that says buy and sell. You see that? Right there at the bottom. Right there. Click that button. Yeah. So once you click that button, buy and sell, it's gonna look like that. And you click buy. And then it's gonna say, what asset do you wanna buy? And you wanna click Ethereum, right? And then when this pops up, it'll let you know what what bank card you want to send it to, and what account you want to send it to. You want to make sure it says Ethereum. Okay. We're gonna do. Well, I already got my mines already loaded. But what you would do is you would type like $20 or 10 or 5 or 100 or 1,000 or whatever you want to type. I think there's a limit. There's 200. Yeah, I think there's like a limit, like a $3,000 limit or something that you can do every day. But once you have it, you just go ahead and push reveal order. Then it'll give you another screen like this to say you're buying $20 of Ethereum. And it's going to give you that choice to invest weekly. And then at the bottom, it's going to tell you what card you're using and how much money you're spending. And then you're just going to push buy now. Okay. And when you push buy now, it's going to say order submitted. That's how it looks. Then you just push done. And then you'll get a notification that lets you know that your money has been received in your Coinbase app. Right? Okay. So now that my other one is loaded up, let's see here. All right, so now I'm gonna copy my address. All right, so let me switch this right quick so you can see what I'm doing on this other screen. Where is it? There we go. Okay, so you see right here, this is my address. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy this address, right? Copy that. If you're in your phone, right? Let me show you what it looks like on your phone. How to copy your address. All right, so if you're on your phone, at the top portion right there, you see it says address. You see how mine says rootsie.e for my name too. But you want to copy the address, you just click it. Now it's copied. And then you take that and you upload it. So let's say I want to send, so to transfer, now that you got your funds should be on your Coinbase app now. So now you want to push the transfer button. See the transfer button? Push the transfer button. And you want to push send crypto. And then you're going to put Ethereum. Click Ethereum. And then when you see this right here, you see the different networks. You see the different networks? You know what? You're going to push base. Allow paste. So we're gonna send to base network. So choose the one that says base, BASC. It's right under Ethereum. You see it says free to send. So choose base. You're gonna paste your address at the top right there where it says address, Ethereum address, or ENS. ENS will be like rootsie.eth if somebody has a .eth. But that's where you're going to place your address. So you paste it in there. Hold on, let me go back. Oh, wait. Copy that. Make sure that once you paste it in there, right? Oh, wait, let me go back. Make sure that it has the last 4 right there. It says 6D45 right there. You see that? 6D45. See that? So I know that's my wallet. I know that's my wallet address right there, 6D45. That's the one we did on the last one, remember? Okay, so once we have the address, click it, and then you're gonna come here, right? And how much do you want to send? Let's say we want to send that $20 that we just bought. We're gonna go, so you see how it has the address, right there, has ETH. Send ETH to that address, and we're sending $20. That's how it should look. See that? $20 ETH to that address, right? Push preview, and it's gonna let you know you're sending $20 in ETH to your address. Make sure it's the same address. Let's look at the address again. 6D45. That's the same one as yesterday. Tells you how long it's going to take, what network, and most of all, it's free because it's on Base. So now we just want to push send now, and then you're going to have to verify again. They're probably going to send you a text message. Once you get all your stuff set up, they're going to send you a text message that makes you confirm that you're trying to send a transaction, and you just do it. Then you press done, and then soon we should see this populate in real time. Any minute now. All my tea is gone. This video is almost over anyway, so it doesn't matter. As soon as this happens right here. Oh, it's a little off. But at least you can see it, right? So, let's see now. See how long this takes. Let me go check to see if it went through here. Oh, it says it just completed. So it should be popping up any minute now. Yeah. Let's just see how long this takes. Sometimes it takes a little bit to register. Another way you can check is you can take this contract address. You can go to Etherscan.io, and you can just pop this in right here, and you can see your wallet address and the value. Oh, it still says 0. Interesting. Oh, you want to know why? I'll tell you why. It's because we're still on the Ethereum mainnet. So if you remember how to go ahead and switch chains, go ahead and switch to Base. All right. In your wallet, you want to go to the networks, and you want to go to add a network, and then you want to add the Base network. Approve, and then switch to Base mainnet, and there you have it. Now you have $20 worth of Ethereum on Base mainnet. See, it's there. You officially bought into crypto and sent it to a decentralized wallet. Awesome. If I would have had to do that on Ethereum mainnet, you'd be mad at me because you'd be paying a lot of money for gas right now. But you're not paying money for gas. That was free on today, September 27th at 7:35. And that concludes the introduction to DeFi. You officially know everything that you need to know to get into this space and feel comfortable. We're still, as far as buying coins, like you can go back and watch the series as much times as you want, and you can learn about DeFi. You can hit me up, you guys. Any questions, you can learn about blockchain, Web3. I break everything down for you. I break everything clearly down, and I'll show you how to get a wallet, and now how to fund your wallet. So now that you have Ether, now you can start to interact with different protocols, buy NFTs, and buy tokens. Okay? So don't spend it all in one place now. You know what I mean? And make sure you be diligent and make sure you do your research. In the next series, we're going to be talking about some different things that have to do with DeFi. All right. I got a couple more things. The next video I'm going to do, I'm going to show you about GBot, and I'm going to show you how to load up GBot, and I'm going to show you how you can use GBot in your favor. I want to wait until the end because this is taking that step towards DGen-ness, to be a DGen. And I wanted to get you through all of this first. But now that we're here, the next video, we're going to be going over GBot. So until then, stay nerdy. I'm out.